The City of St. Charles School District has proudly educated children and served the community for over 170 years. It is a district with a rich heritage and commitment to excellence. The district currently serves approximately 5,000 students from pre-kindergarten to 12th grade. We have 2 comprehensive high schools, a middle school, an intermediate school, 6 elementary schools, an early childhood center, and the Success Campus, which is an alternative education setting. The district also operates the Lewis and Clark Career Center and the Center for Advanced Professional Studies program, which serves students from districts across St. Charles County in career readiness programs. On April 6, 2021, voters in the City of St. Charles School District will be asked to consider a ballot measure called Proposition SCSD. Proposition SCSD is a $50 million bond issue that does not require a tax rate increase. The district is able to ask for a bond issue without raising the tax due to our efforts to pay off existing bond issue debt ahead of schedule. Additionally, solid financial management of the district has allowed us to address many ongoing maintenance needs over time, reducing the amount of work that would otherwise be needed. Since Proposition SCSD is a bond issue, a 4/7 majority, or 57%, must approve in order for the bond issue to pass. The money generated by Proposition SCSD, by law, can only be used to fund renovations, repairs, and other approved capital projects. Bond issue proceeds cannot be used to pay salaries or benefits. If approved, the money generated from Proposition SCSD will be used to fund projects aligned with 4 main goals: learning during the pandemic and beyond, improving instructional activity areas, safety, security, and functionality of facilities for learning, and energy function and efficiency. Learning during the pandemic and beyond. This goal seeks to improve the district's network and technology within our buildings to assist our students' and teachers' needs now and in the future. Projects include upgrading our network backbone to 10 gigabytes, wireless access point replacement, Lincoln Elementary building rewire, digital disaster recovery, and redundant internet connections. This goal of Proposition SCSD includes projects totaling approximately $2.6 million. Improving instructional and activity areas. Projects in this goal allow for reconfiguration or additions to district schools for better utilization of instructional spaces and activity areas. Projects include Blackhurst Elementary cafeteria reconfiguration and addition, Lincoln Elementary configuration and addition, permanent classroom walls in Monroe Elementary, multi-purpose room reconfiguration and a small classroom addition at Knoll Elementary, Jefferson Intermediate Library reconfiguration, construction of an art room, sensory room and restroom at Hardin Middle, and an addition to the Jefferson Storm Shelter project at the St. Charles West Stadium. This goal from Proposition SCSD includes projects totaling approximately $17.5 million. Safety, security, and functionality of facilities for learning. Projects in this goal focus on the reconfiguration of buildings and entrances to allow our students and staff to be safe and secure in our buildings. Safety and security projects have been a main focus for several years now, and the project included in this bond issue will augment a district-wide safety effort that has been ongoing for close to a decade. Projects include installation of Safe Defend notification system in every classroom, storm shelter and gym construction at Knoll Elementary, storm shelter and gym construction at Jefferson Intermediate, Success Campus reconfiguration, and driveway and concrete replacements. This goal of Proposition SCSD includes projects totaling an estimated $17.8 million. Energy function and efficiency. Projects in this goal aim to increase energy efficiency and the function of buildings across the district. Upgraded HVAC, lighting, and other building systems replacements will improve energy efficiency and extend the useful life of our school buildings for another generation of St. Charles learners. These projects aim to increase comfort for those using our buildings and reduce operating costs with more efficient building systems. Projects in this goal include district-wide LED lighting retrofitting and replacement, window replacement and masonry tuck pointing, HVAC and plumbing replacements at multiple buildings, and various roof restorations and replacement. This goal in Proposition SCSD includes $19 million in projects. In addition to the funds derived from the 4 main goals, the district will also create a contingency fund of approximately $2 million for any unforeseen issues or project setbacks. Please be informed and please vote on April 6, 2021. This proposition will have a major impact on the future of the City of St. Charles School District and our community. For more information about Proposition SCSD and the projects relating to it, please visit our website at www.stcharlessd.org/propscsd.